So you're overweight, you're trying to lose fat, not weight, just simply pure fat, and to have some sort of recomposition for your body. Well, you've landed at the right place. First of all, the information I'm going to be sharing with you is not within the traditional context of, count calories, eat less, work out more. Most probably you have heard these and you are simply in the same spot over and over again, right? First of all, smash the like button, join the channel by subscribing, because this channel is dedicated to people just like you and I who got stuff to do, entrepreneurs, busy individuals, corporate professionals, parents who do have a lot of stuff going on in their life, yet they would like to be healthy. You're not a gym rat or not someone who's doing triathlons or living in the gym or whatever it is. No, on the contrary, you got stuff to do. Yet that subject of weight loss and fitness is unchecked, and I'm going to help you get to that point. So that being said, a very important concept that we need to get out of the way. It's a very important tip that literally changed how I approach fitness and weight loss and fat loss. I've been doing this for over a decade. I've tried every single workout, every single program, shredding, bulking up, keto, Pilates, whatever it is that you're thinking about in terms of losing weight. I have done it. I have tried it. I've had my share of successes and failures. And I came to understand after publishing my book that the journey is not as straightforward. So I get you. What you're going through is something that I went through and I go through every now and then if I do not follow the steps which I'm sharing with you. So that being said, let me tell you something. First of all, we need to forget about calorie counting. That's a flawed concept. As an engineer, as a mechanical engineer specifically, thermodynamics is our bread and butter. Counting calories does not provide the full picture. It applies to mechanical systems. However, our bodies are biomechanical. You have the biological element, specifically hormones. If you keep on counting calories and, for example, you do not take care about your thyroid hormones, insulin levels, cortisol, any other hormone within your body, you are set to fail from the beginning. You cannot operate beyond your physical limitations. So it's important to understand that calorie counting will not get the job done. If I were to share with you one single tip right now, which is to help you get things into the right perspective, forget about calorie counting. If you have 1,500 calories of proteins versus 1,500 calories of bananas, what do you think is going to happen to your body? From a caloric point of view, it should be the same, calorie in, calorie out. However, both of them, they play different games with your hormonal profile and your body responds differently. Now, that being said, this is the tip I wanted to share with you. Feel free to join the channel to learn more about these important tips that will surely have a transformational effect on your weight loss journey. And I'll see you in the next video.